1.
Hey guys, Ben Maddox here, Johnson RV. We are enjoying some lovely weather. Can't wait for you to enjoy it with us. I've got Nick behind the camera. If I'm not available, ask for him. We just got this beautiful new piece in, 2021 Leisure Travel U24RL. If you're not familiar with the floor plan, it's so cool. In fact, so many other companies copied it because it got such a great reaction from everybody else. Built on your 1-ton Mercedes chassis, beautiful full body paint. It's got the single turbo 3-liter V6 Mercedes engine, diesel engine. Nice fiberglass molding, get in and out of both sides. You got big storage compartments outside, awning style windows, frameless windows. Let's hop inside and check this out. Beautiful vinyl all throughout the floor, easy to clean. Corian counters, solid maple wood construction with this really nice veneer, easy to clean, very durable. Front seating area that converts into another sleeping area. Your front seats pivot around, so you got seating for 4. Really slick. New chassis, so it's got all the new features on it. Dual opening side fridge and freezer. Awesome, people love that Dometic. And then pull out pantry as well. Going back into the bedroom, you can already see the